My name's Chris Savage, and I live in the Brandon, South Dakota area. We have a couple different vehicles. We have an Audi S8, it's a 2013. We also have a 2018 Audi Q7. I have a work pickup that's a 3/4 ton Chevy 2500 Duramax diesel pickup. And then we have a couple cars that are our kids' cars, so we won't talk about those. Oh, by far the Audi S8. It's one of those, my wife and I call it our midlife crisis car. It's just a fun car to drive. It looks nice. It's fast. It's just a fun car. Oh, that's a good question. Gosh, it's been over a year, or right around a year, I believe, at this point. And they've been great. We have 3 of our vehicles, the 2 Audis and 1 pickup that they take care of for us. And we kind of rotate through them and keep them looking sharp. Obviously, how they look on the outside is nice, right? You want them to kind of sparkle and shine and all that. But for me, I love getting into a car that's nice and clean on the inside, and the dash is kind of shiny, and the gauges and the glass and stuff inside, you can see there's no streaks, any of that kind of stuff. Most of the time you get into a vehicle that doesn't get cleaned very often, and the little cracks and crevices have crumbs and things like that are just hard, to keep clean or to keep out. And so having those taken care of, and they're always taken care of and they're always clean, is great. It's one of those things where, we got to a point in our lives where time is money, and so having the time to keep the cars clean like we want them became difficult, became challenging. And so it's nice to know that no matter what's going on in our week or in our month or whatever, we're always going to get the cars cleaned. And I don't really have to worry about it. I know that Phantom Detailing is going to remind me when my appointment's coming up, and they're going to let me know what time it is. They're going to text me to let me know they're going to be there in 20 minutes in case I've forgotten. So it's nice just not having to worry about it. Anybody that likes their cars to be clean and well taken care of will like the maintenance plan. And not having to worry about it. People with busy lives, which most people do have busy lives, but it's nice not to have to worry about it.